Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable or disable administrator account in Windows 11. This is a useful skill to have whether you are troubleshooting issues or managing accounts on your computer or any other computer. The first and simple method I'm going to show you that if you are logged in into your computer with any admin account, please go to search bar and type computer management. And let's go ahead to computer management, expand this MMC and here please go to local user and group. In the users, you will find your computer default administrator. You could just right click on it, go to properties, and here account is disabled. You can just uncheck this and go ahead and apply this. Now this account is enabled. Make sure you also have set up the password. So if you again wanna disable this account, that's simple. Please go to computer management again and right click on this account. Go to properties and again select disable and then go ahead and apply and OK. This is the first and simple method of enabling and disabling your computer administrator if you're logged in with any other administrator account. Now let's move to second and more advanced method, and this is useful when you are working remotely and accessing computers via any remote tool, or you are not able to log in to your Windows computer, or you are not able to get to the login screen, or you have forget the password for your Windows computer. You could just access the command prompt by going to boot menu of your computer. Let me go to command prompt. Let me open this command prompt here. In your computer boot menu, once you go to Advanced Boot option and get access to the command prompt, please go ahead and type here net user. Once you will type net user here, you will get your computer or a laptop administrator accounts details here. So we can see the first account here is administrator, and basically we want to enable this administrator account. Now let's go ahead and enable this administrator account, net user administrator space forward slash active yes. Let's go ahead and press enter. Now we have enabled administrator account successfully. Please note that if you wanna disable this administrator account, you just have to type no here. So currently I'm not going to do this. I don't wanna disable administrator account. I have already enabled this by typing yes. Let me verify you if the administrator account is enabled or disabled. Let's go ahead to computer management quickly, expand local users and group, and you can see here administrator account has been enabled, right? So now let's say we were not able to log in to the Windows 11 computer, but we have successfully enabled the administrator account, and now we don't know the password and we also want to set up the password. Just go ahead and type net user username and then static sign. Now you're ready to update the administrator password, and we already have enabled the administrator account, and let's suppose we have forgotten our other account to get to log in to Windows. Let's go ahead and press enter. Now here you can go ahead and type the password for your laptop or computer administrator. I have typed the password and now I'm ready to press the enter. This is because of security, you will not be able to see the password on this screen here. Let's go ahead and press enter. Again, it's asking me to retype the password. The command completed successfully and I have enabled the administrator account and also set up the administrator password. Now you will be able to restart your computer and just go ahead and log in with the administrator account. So that's it about today's quality, to the point, and helpful tutorial on how to enable or disable administrator password on Windows 11. I hope this helps you a lot. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.